Free AI agents and automation templates for you to download for n8n and make.com. I'm going to show you where to access this and how to use this site to browse for different agents and automations that you might want to experiment with or deploy for your business. All you have to do is go to agents.sabrina.dev and you'll see this large directory containing hundreds of automation templates. You can search by platform, Make or N8N. You can search by different categories, for example, content creation. Within this category alone, there are hundreds and hundreds of examples, which you can browse all day long. You can also search for terms. For example, if you're looking to make avatar videos in particular, search for all the automations in that category. Go ahead and click one if you're interested in it, okay? And you'll see more information about it. If the automation was contributed by an AI automation consultant or agency, you'll see their contact information at the top over here. Here's the description, the tools used, the categories, the link to the tutorial if there is one. Okay, so this one, for example, goes to this page. And here's where you can download the template. So this is going to open up a new tab with a JSON file. And what you want to do is right click, save as, say, test.json file. Okay. And then I'll show you real quick how to import this. So this example is a make.com template. So go to make, click create a new scenario. Down here, there's 3 buttons. Okay, import blueprints and upload the file that we just downloaded. Okay, and here it is. You'll want to follow along with the tutorial, right, to make sure you've set it up correctly. Now we'll show you how to do this for N8N. Let's switch platforms to N8N over here. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so here's the description, just like before, and then click download template again. Right click, save as. Let's do test 2. Okay, open up N8N, click create workflow in the upper right corner. These 3 buttons, import from file. Go ahead and select it. Okay, and here we go. Some of these automations are really well documented, where you can see a bunch of the tutorial notes over here on the left. Now, if you're an AI automation agency or consultant and you want to contribute one of your automations here, go ahead and click contribute automation up here. And if you don't find an automation that's a good fit for your business, go ahead and click request automation up here so you can request that somebody build it. My goal is to make this the largest crowdsourced database of free AI agents and automations so that beginners can get started using powerful tools like N8N, Make.com, eventually Crew AI, and not have to burn a lot of money in cycles figuring things out for the first time. I also love that you can explore what are people using AI agents and automations for today. You can see all these different use cases all in one place. So if you're willing to contribute, definitely appreciate it. And the benefit is that your contact information will be here. So people who want more hands-on help, hands-on consulting can reach out to you directly. I don't take any commission, affiliate fee, or anything. My goal is to make this the highest quality free database or directory of AI agents and automations for everyone.